Hi, how's it going folks? I'm Scott's Dragon and this is my top 5 must-have tames to survive in Aberration. If you enjoyed the video, drop us a like, subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so at number 5 we have the Ravager, or Cave Wolf as it's known by as well. So it's a great wee mount. It can run along the vines that you can see dotted from cliff to cliff. It can run along them. It has pack boost when several are there. Also it has a bleeder effect, which can be devastating to dinos. He is really quick. Doesn't have too much of a bite on him, but he can do some damage if he's with friends. Yep. Oh. He's got his wee jump as well. His howl when he's in with the pack gives the pack boost. So there we have it. Number 5. The Ravager. Okay, so on to number 4 now. We have the Megalosaurus, who thrives in Aberration due to it being 50% night, 50% day, but still it's mostly night time all the time. This one's a bit tired because I've got him on staying awake, and as you can see it's daytime. These have their nighttime boost, which makes them really devastatingly strong. They can do a lot of damage. They also can demount you and run away with your tames. They can pick up your tames and run off with them. Which is quite a cool wee thing it can do. I think that's more so for PvP rather than PvE, but yeah, this wee guy's definitely tired. He's not even moving. But yeah, he is ideal if you're out moving about quickly and you want something that can pack a punch, which he's ideal for it. Right, so that is number 4, the Megalosaurus. Let me just put this guy to sleep. Absolutely cracking the way they just curl up into a ball and go to sleep. Right, so that is number 4, the Megalosaurus. Okay, so on to number 3 now, which you can't quite see because he's sitting on my shoulder. And we'll throw him down, and yes, he is one of the 4 light pets, types of light pets you can get. These are necessity when going into the blue zone or the pink zone, where the nameless are and reapers are. This wee guy in his bright light actually gives a weakness to reapers and nameless, which makes them easier to kill. So this is why this little chappie's here now And at number 3, just pick him back up, and I'll show you what it does to Reapers. As you can see, the Reaper has a cloudy smoke around it. That means it's weak. It's a weakness to light pets. And that's the only downfall the Reapers have. But yep, so number 3 is the light pets. Makes them very essential, plus you don't need to carry torches about with you. Okay, so on to number 2 now. We have the Reaper. It's quite a big beastie itself, which this one definitely keeps you safe. You get a high seated area. It's a bit smoky with light pet. I don't know, just jump off and turn this off. Pet. There we go. Right, I don't think that was good. Does it with a torch as well? Oh well. We're going to have a smoky Reaper. But yeah, he can jump. Well, he has nasty bite, tail sweep, and he can fire poison balls from his tail. Which, when you're out harvesting anything, meat-wise, hide, whichever you're after, he's one of the safest to be on. He is a big ferocious, quite a frightening tame as well. As I think I said in one of the other videos, definitely for aliens. So, he is number 2. Okay, here we are at number 1. This is the creature that 99% of people that play Ark come to Aberration for. And this one actually looks absolutely cracking. It's got an awesome red and blue feather system. Yeah, it's absolute cracking to look at. It's a 2-seater. There's my torch, it's gone. It's a 2-seater. As you can hear, it sounds like suction cups. You can climb onto walls. That's good. And he glides. Which, in Aberration, because there's no flyers, he is basically number 1. He's what you achieve to get from Aberration. And he's definitely worth it. Especially when the boss Rockwell, I tend to use Drakes myself as well, because of their abilities. They can jump and glide out the road quite easily, they can do a lot of damage. It's for flying about. They're absolutely great for gliding about the place. So this makes this fun guy number 1 in the top 5 essential aberration tames. All the essential, aberration dinos are absolutely great to look at. The aberrant variants are fantastic, but yeah, these ones would get you through aberration. So if you enjoyed the video, drop us a like, a subscribe, and come back for more in the next one. We'll catch you soon. Take care.